Hello and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. I am using my new recorder and this should be 4K, and I have an external microphone as well, so the sound should be much better. I have been waiting for this day forever. So this is obviously just a test to see how this works, see how this does. But hello, and I'm glad you're here. Oh, I really want this to work, because if it works how I am wanting it to work, then this whole process should be much more simple, instead of every video, like besides the videotaping, taking me 3 additional hours. Right. Even doing a 5-minute video, it's then add 3 hours to that. Or if you do an hour video, add 3 hours to that. So hopefully this process cuts this out. Hopefully this is way better quality visually and with the sound as well. So really, that's the whole content of that I want to do. So I'm probably going to pull this video after I have some people look at it. So what I need from you, a lot of you are like, how can I help you? Well, one way you can help me is give me feedback in the comments below about anything that is not right. If this sound is not as good, or if it is better, please tell me. Quality, video quality. I just know for a fact that I'm recording in 4K, and depending on your TV or your device that you're watching it on, it will automatically adjust to that. So if you're at a 1080p, it will automatically show you 1080p, but if you have a 4K, it will show you 4K. So that's what I need from you, is just your feedback. Is this working like you would think it would work? That kind of thing. And also the sound. Like, I have an external microphone that is supposed to be really good quality. So I'm obviously going to take a look at this on YouTube and check it out myself, but I'd rather have feedback from you, what your experiences are, because you guys will be using different devices to watch this on. So that is my video, and just after I get feedback, after I learn how to use, because there's software that I'm learning, it's actually a new phone I'm learning, all this kind of stuff that I'm learning, I will be able to not only create content and then upload it, but create live content through YouTube. So I'll be able to do both, and with this process I will be able to do it all the time because it won't be overwhelming for me. So we can all learn together. Listen, thank you so much. I appreciate you watching Mountain Aromatics, and I will see you on the next, hopefully, awesome video. Have a good day.